Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set back tap to Open AssistiveTouch on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. Next, tap on Touch. Then scroll down to the bottom and tap on back tap. Next in here you could choose double tap or triple tap. I'm going to select double tap. Then we scroll down to the accessibility section and tap on Assistive Touch. And that's it. After that you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now if you double tap, that will open up Assistive Touch. Or you can switch it off by double tap on the back again. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.